Hey, I forgot. Oops.
You gotta hit the record button.
I accidentally hit it already.
You're retarded, man.
You deserve to get hit for that.
Alright, what do I do now? This is...
You press delete.
I'm sorry.
It's recording, you dumbass.
I'm sorry, dude. Stop.
Man, just freaking film the car, man.
Alright. Are you really gonna leave this on the video, though? Dude, chill.
You deserve to get hit for that, you freaking dumb crap. What are you doing? We'll see how fast it's going. We're gonna slam to half 100 miles an hour. I'm gonna get the car. No, dude. Don't go by those mufflers and freaking resellers. Oh, yeah. That thing's burning you. Don't get my ass. What?
You need a different video, because me and Christopher completely ruined it. He walked past and
Man,
everything.
you're retarded, man.
You're not supposed to walk in front of the freaking mufflers.
Man.
Why is it pink?